So let us now study the evolution of OSH. Okay, so we have here the Industrial Revolution and safety concerns, the development of safety standards, and technological advancements in OSH. So number one, it is the examining the challenges and improvements in the workplace safety during the Industrial Revolution, a period marked by significant changes in manufacturing and production process. So nag-start ang safety concern during the Industrial Revolution, to be specific, in manufacturing and production process. So doon nag-start lahat ng mga safety concerns natin. Doon sa Industrial Revolution, specifically in manufacturing and production. Second one is development of safety standards. The establishment of standardized guidelines and safety standards reflecting a collective effort to ensure a baseline level of safety across various industries. Okay? So when it comes to safety concerns, they have formulated or crafted to develop a standard for safety or standardized guidelines and safety standards. This will now then implemented, no, across various industries. This will serve as their standardized guidelines. Okay. The third one is technological advancements in OSH. The integration of technological innovations to enhance safety practices, ranging from advanced monitoring systems to the development of safety-oriented tools and equipment. So dito sa technological advancements na ito, ini-integrate dito yung iba't ibang monitoring systems. The same time, the development and the utilization or the use of safety-oriented tools and equipment. For example, when it comes to construction, meron silang nilalagay ng mga boots, helmets, yan. Those are safety-oriented tools and equipment. Okay? So what are the basic legal frameworks of OSH? No? So we have here the legal, because it is a legal requirement, no? Understanding and adhering to local, national, and international laws and regulation that mandate specific workplace safety standards. So meron kasi tayong sinusunod yung mga companies or yung mga organizations. Meron silang sinusunod ng mga standard safety standards na dapat meron sa isang workplace. Second one is Occupational Safety and Health Administration or relevant local agencies. So these local agencies naman are tasked with enforcing and overseeing workplace safety regulations, providing guidelines and inspections to ensure compliance. So basically, some companies are required to visit companies or organizations, checking whether or not they are compliant sa safety regulations and guidelines, no? Nagkakaroon sila ng inspections, no? So the third one is compliance and penalties. The consequences associated with non-compliance, including legal penalties, fines, and potential damage to the reputation of the organization. Ngayon, kung after the inspection or the assessment of this local body, and they found out that you're not compliant with the basic legal frameworks or laws or policies in relation to safety and health administration, they could fine you or penalize you, and this could damage your reputation, no? So make sure that you are always compliant to the administrators, no, of occupational safety and health, no? So those are the basic legal frameworks of OSH. Ano naman itong regulatory frameworks? Ano bang importance ng regulatory compliance? Recognizing the crucial role of regulatory compliance in maintaining a safe work environment, underscoring the significance of aligning organizational practices with established safety regulations. So, you must always adhere to the regulatory compliance or to the administration or to the body that is implementing this OSH, no? Second one is specific regulations for different industries. So there are tailored safety measures to address in various industries. There are unique challenges and hazards associated with that. However, it ensures a customized and effective approach to workplace safety. So, in this particular bullet, no, it is true that iba-iba naman kasi ang job description or yung tinatrabaho ng bawat company. So, there are specific regulations depending on what job description or mission they are into. For example, they are into construction, iba ang safety doon. If they are working for example sa mga barko, iba rin ang safety doon. If they are working in the government, iba rin ang safety compliance na kailangan doon. If they are into IT BPM sa mga call centers, iba rin ang workplace safety na kailangan meron doon. So, regulatory frameworks depend on the different industries. Okay? Hindi naman pare-pares kasi ng ginagawa nga yan. So different organizations require different set of regulatory frameworks in relation to OSH. Third one is periodic audits and inspections. So conducting regular audits and inspections to evaluate and confirm ongoing compliance with safety standards, promoting a proactive stance towards safety management. So in this part, the third bullet requires everyone to conduct regular audits. At the same time, inspections to what? To evaluate the ongoing compliance with safety standards, promoting a proactive stance, no, towards safety management. So yung mga company, they should or they must conduct regularly this kind of audit and inspection. Parang sa ganon, if there's a national body that will conduct, no, or assess or evaluate the safety of the workplace, compliant sila, no? So makita pa lang nila sa part nila kung ano bang problema nila. Parang sa ganun, before na dumating yung mga local bodies, is that compliant na sila. Okay? And the last slide, why OSH matters. So employee well-being, satisfaction, reputation and corporate social responsibility, and legal and financial implications for non-compliance. Number one is acknowledging that a commitment to OSH is directly contributing to the physical and mental well-being of employees, fostering a positive workplace culture that enhances overall job satisfaction. So all in all, pag alam ng empleyado na safe siya, wala siyang kailangang ikatakot o ikabahala, payapa siya, peaceful siya, no? It will then have produce a positive workplace culture that enhances overall job satisfaction. So for example, hindi kaaya-aya yung workplace. Makalat yung mga cable, di ba? Pundido yung ilaw, baka mabasag. No? Medyo hesitant kang magtrabaho. Maghahanap ka ng safe place to work on. So that's employee well-being satisfaction. Second one is reputation and corporate social responsibility. Understanding the impact of workplace safety on the reputation of an organization and its broader social responsibility as stakeholders, increasing value companies that prioritize employee welfare. So, kung hindi safe ang yung workplace, it could damage your reputation. No? And this is part of your responsibility to make them feel safe. No? For example, sa isang banking company, pag nakita na lang nakakalat yung mga cables, di ba? Ano ba? Madulas yung flooring, di ba? Basag yung bintana, baka masugat ka. So, pwedeng magkaroon ka ng damage of reputation. At the same time, it is part of your corporate social responsibility to make them feel safe, no? Third one is legal and financial implications for non-compliance. Your non-compliance may result to fine and penalties. So make sure that you are adhering to the legal frameworks of the local body or the community that you're in. No? This could make a negative impact on your business operations, no? Associated with failing to prioritize and uphold OSH standards. So to further understand what OSH is, no? Let us watch this video. Okay?
Welcome to this video about occupational safety and health. Occupational safety and health, commonly known as OSH, is a comprehensive approach to ensuring the health, safety, and overall well-being of workers. It's also frequently referred to as occupational health and safety, workplace health and safety, and simply occupational health. Beyond safeguarding the primary welfare of employees, OSH extends its protective umbrella to include coworkers, family members, and in certain scenarios, customers and employers. Essentially, it encapsulates anyone potentially affected or impacted by the workplace environment. These individuals are commonly referred to as stakeholders. This protection also covers activities outside the immediate business premises, ensuring safety during tasks like product deliveries or any operation posing external risks. In the U.S., the scope of occupational health and safety doesn't just cover workplace safety. It stretches to include non-occupational safety, focusing on activities outside the workplace. Examples include ensuring the safe transportation of hazardous materials or conducting off-site work activities. Companies, by law, are entrusted with a binding responsibility to ensure the safety of their workers, both within and beyond their primary work environment. Within the vast realm of OSH, there's a specialized subfield called occupational medicine, which is dedicated to the physical health of employees. Furthermore, intertwined with occupational safety and health is the domain of occupational psychology, which focuses on the mental well-being and holistic health of workers. Despite best efforts, hazards in workplaces are a grim reality. Every year, across the globe, millions of workers face the unfortunate consequences of these hazards, manifesting as injuries, disabilities, or even fatal incidents. Specific incidents are labeled as occupational injuries, or alternatively, occupational accidents. As highlighted by the National Safety Council, the repercussions of workplace injuries aren't just physical or emotional, they bear heavy economic burdens. This encompasses lost wages, heightened insurance premiums, costs associated with hiring replacements, equipment repairs, and production downturns. In essence, workplace injuries are detrimental not only to workers, but also to the bottom line of businesses. Large corporations often have dedicated OSH professionals to oversee safety protocols. Smaller companies, however, face a different reality. Here, the mantle of occupational safety and health might be borne by employees from different specializations, such as human resources or quality control. In the European Union, the landscape of OSH has seen positive strides. Rates of ill health and injuries have reduced over recent decades. However, employees still report enduring and emerging job-related risks, emphasizing the continual need for vigilance and adaptability in OSH practices. Even in the world's safest countries, OSH is a work in progress that never ends. Occupational health and safety standards in the advanced economies are quite different from those in some other parts of the world. Somebody from Western Europe, for example, may be surprised to see window cleaners outside tall buildings hanging from a rope. In Western Europe, the window cleaners would typically use secured scaffolding or specialized platforms plus safety harnesses, ensuring enhanced safety measures and adherence to stringent regulations.